Welcome to my tutorial on how to create a simple pie graph in Microsoft Excel 2010. I already have a spreadsheet open and we are ready to create our first graph. To begin, you need to have data ready to input into the columns and rows of the spreadsheet. I am going to create a graph that includes data about how many pies were sold at the bake sale. I first want to add my descriptors before I add my numbers. Let's put pies sold in column A, row 2. Then the types of pies will be in columns B, C, and D, because we sold 3 types of pies: apple, blueberry, and chocolate. Now let's go back and add in how many were sold. 60 apple pies were sold, 35 blueberry pies were sold, and 5 chocolate pies. You add the number of pies under the descriptor. Now that we have the data inserted into the spreadsheet, we want to create our graph. Highlight the data by clicking on the bottom right box and drag your cursor to the top left. When you let go, the data will still be highlighted. Click on Insert and choose the type of graph that you would like. Let's create a pie graph. They have many types to choose from, but let's just choose a regular pie graph. Excel has many features to enhance the look of your graph, so let's focus on the color, because I want my pies to match the color of the actual pie. So right now blue is apple, red is blueberry, and green is chocolate. But I want apple to be red. So I'm going to click on the apple slice, click 2 times and it will highlight just the apple slice. Go back over to Home and click on the paint bucket. The little arrow will drop down all these colors, and I'm going to choose this red. I want the blueberry slice to be blue, and I want the chocolate slice to be a light brown. Now that your graph is complete, you can copy and paste the graph into a Word document. Right-click on your graph, go to Copy, open up a Word document. You can add your text, then right-click and paste. And if you want to center it to make it look better, you can. And then print it out and turn it in. And you're all done. Thanks for watching my tutorial on how to create a simple pie graph in Microsoft Excel 2010.